In the meantime, in the primetime news follow-up, the People's National Party executive is at this hour meeting where a letter signed by 15 members of parliament demanding an urgent meeting with the opposition leader will be discussed. The MP said they wanted the meeting to take place before Monday, June 1, to discuss matters relating to the future of the party. Now, we spoke with PNP Vice President Dr. Wickham McNeil today.
Actually, I left the executive meeting, or a normal executive meeting, which was set for last week, and then there was a meeting of Parliament on Wednesday, so we had to postpone it to this Monday. And so they are having a meeting there, and we'll be discussing it, and coming out of that meeting we'll have more facts on when other meetings will be held and how it will be there too.
PNP Senator K.D. Knight blasted the 15 opposition members of Parliament. In a WhatsApp message, Mr. Knight said the 15 would want Phillips and the party, and they are not afraid to strike. In saying the party, he too should not be afraid to strike.
I think this is something that you have an internal discussion. But as it stands now, we have a letter. There are some comrades that want to have a discussion, and we're having a discussion about it at executive, and outside of that, you will be properly informed.